the dilemma of today is that offices are occupied by wrong people. That is the dilemma of today. Wrong people are occupying public offices. That is why we have corruption. Because those people have not redefined to the level required by public office. They have remained themselves, looking at the relatives, looking at where they come from, which tribe they belong to, who has the name similar to them. That is the level of individualism. That is a level of self-interest. That is the level of selfishness. And that is the recipe for corruption. So how do we resolve it? How do you disentangle? How do you correct this? You occupy public office to serve the people and transform the mind and understand and think and create things and see the vision presented by the law